In this video demo, I'm going to show you how to use the BizBeginners app from BizBeginners.net. So when you have it installed to your phone, it will look something similar to this. Now, the reality is that I'm recording this app using my computer, so I have a mouse that's being used. But for you, you'll use your finger or stylus, and when I click, you would tap. So when you actually tap on the app's icon right on your main screen, it brings up BizBeginners.net training. Now, there are two options here and then a help button. The first option is an existing user. Now, if you have an account on BizBeginners.net, feel free to enter in your username and password right here, and it will take you straight in. If you don't have an account, then what you want to do is you want to create a new account. So when you click on that, it brings up the join form, and you enter in username, first name, last name, gender, password, and then a confirmation of it, email, country, city, and agree to the terms of use. So we'll do that right now. What we're going to do is we're going to make it new user, and the first name is going to be new, and the last name will be user. In your case, it would be your first and last name. I am, in fact, a man, so I'm going to mark that down. Now you can see it's got password and confirm password. So I'm going to make this one very simple. It's ABC123. And then once again, ABC123. And then it asks for an email address. Now this is important that you enter in a valid email address, because this is where the confirmation email comes back to. So you would enter in this case, we're going to do new user at BizBeginners.net. Now we are actually based in Canada, not in the United States. And the city that we are in is Calgary. And yes, I have read and agreed with the terms of use. If you'd like to, feel free to click on terms of use and it will take you to that. And now I click join now. Now thanks for a second, and it brings up the BizBeginners.net site, and you can see on the site you're able to pick an avatar if you'd like, and you can actually interact with the site. Now you can interact with this site on the computer itself or on the mobile app, and it says right here you may now log in using our mobile app. First thing that I would suggest doing is take a quick look at the avatars that are available and pick one that suits you. I'm just going to pick this fellow right here because, well, simply because I like the look of him. So now that we've done that, we're going to go back to our app. We're going to tap on it here, and we're going to enter in the existing user. So now we have new user, and then we click next. ABC123, and we click login. And it thinks for a second, and you can see, hey, there's our avatar that we picked on the site itself, and it says hello new user. Now there are a few buttons that show up here, 9 on the main screen and then several across the bottom, 5 across the bottom. These top ones are mostly having to do with the social elements of setting up a business. As you're setting up your online business, you'll find that having people around you to help is a good thing. So you can enter in, a status saying, hey, trying out the new app. And then click save. And then it shows up right here. You can send messages back and forth. You can find friends. You can search for people. And the exciting thing with this system is we've actually secured a few deals with some of the companies that you would have to work with when you create your online business, whether that be hosting or software or themes or templates or anything along those lines. If you actually click on this, you can see right now in this demo we've got the 2 showing up here for hosting for HostGator. This first one is a 1-cent deal where you get your first month for 1 cent, and then after that for just under $4. Or if you prefer, it's just 25% off any monthly hosting. If you click on the podcast, you can see there are a couple of podcasts here, including ours, which you click on, and then you can actually click on any one of these to play the audio. If you go to the videos, we have, honestly, we have hundreds of videos, and then we have more being added all the time. If you take a look through here, you can see, hey, here's some shots of yours truly, and videos including, training hosting basics. We have interviews with, search engine optimization experts, outsourcing people. We have all sorts of stuff, and you can, if you want, you can add some images of your own products. Yeah, I mean, it's a fantastic system. So if you have any questions, feel free to post in the message board at bizbeginners.net, and I hope that this application works well for you.